This American Standard shower was leaking non-stop and now it's bone dry. If your shower's doing this, you're wasting water and money. I'll show you how to replace the cartridge and fix it fast. No plumber needed. So first off, I've shut the water off. Then I opened the valve just to drain the water if there's any left in the system there. So it's completely empty. And then underneath this handle is a small hole where you can put the Allen wrench that comes with this faucet up in there, loosen a set screw, and the handle knob should pull right off of there. Just like so. So just a Phillips head screwdriver is all you need, and these are pretty long bolts. And this is the valve, so that has 3 standard screws. That red adjuster ring is so you can adjust the temperature of the water. It controls how far the handle actually moves. Take note of how the valve was in there. The round circle was on the top. Set the screws aside, and now you have 3 screws, flatheads. The round circle's on the top for this cartridge, and pull this ring off around the outside. Okay, and then just take note, I've kind of got a discolored section here that goes to the bottom. With any kind of luck, that should pull right out of there. Now you've got some O-rings on the back side of this. Make sure that they stay in place. I'm not sure what that is. And I'm going to look in here and clean it out if there's any debris or anything. Actually, it looks okay. You just need to make sure that these 2 little green pieces, I don't know if they're green on yours, but they are on mine, fit right into 2 holes in the back of this big hole. And then it presses up against that tightly to seal those O-rings. There we go. And then put the ring back on. And then on this piece you can see where the set screw goes, so make sure that you've got that pointed down like the old one. I'm going to take the little rubber thing off of here. I'll take that off and transfer it to this one after I get this installed. Here's the little white piece I was telling you about. Just fills the gap for the handle. Make sure that the hole is in the bottom where the set screw goes. Press that on. We'll slide the handle back on. I'll go turn the water on and check it before I put the set screw in. And it should be done. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button before you leave. And if you'll click that video on the screen now, you can see another one of my DIY home plumbing projects that'll help you save money. And we'll see you over there.